Good morning to all of you. I am going to give you my shorthand class, today's shorthand class, that is, we shall have exercise 1. In the exercise 1, I am going to write all the strokes only, but I request you to practice each stroke one page at least. At last, I will show you in the notebook how you will practice. One page at least you will have to practice, because memorizing these strokes are very important. So whenever you close your eyes or whenever you remember, you just recall how it is written and then bring to your mind so that it remains in your mind very firmly. Because without learning the stroke, we cannot proceed. So it will not be given like three placing and all. It will not be given first. First, every strokes I am writing on the line only. For you also, same way you will write and practice and get the strokes in your mind first. So the first stroke is, you know it very well, PB. Just for demonstrating you, I am keeping this line in my hand. P. It is a slanting stroke which you have to write from upward to downward. I have given the arrow. And B is a deep stroke. Light stroke, lightly you hold. Deep stroke, a little deep you write. So P, B. So when you write P, B, P, B, P, B, you will have to keep on telling till you finish the page. Then the next is T, D. T is a straight stroke, light stroke. D is the deep stroke, deep stroke. So what happened? T, arrow I have given from upward to downward. In the same style, T, D, T, D. You keep on writing. Then the next is Che, J. Che is right side slanting. It will be written in this style. It will be written in this style. Upward to downward. Che, J is deep stroke. So in the same way you will have to keep writing. Then next is K, G. K, right now writing on the line and practicing. K, it's a straight stroke. K, G. K, G. So what you do? You keep writing and practicing. It is written from left to right. Then F. F is a curved stroke. The curve is written in this style. Curve. In this style it is written. Curve stroke. F. B is a deep curve. So in the same way, one full page you will have to continue. The next is It. It, D. It is a straight curve. In this style you have to write It. And D is a deep curve. Deep. Deep. So you will have to, on the line only I am teaching. You will have to write in this way. Keep continuing one full page. Then S, Z. S is written, just a minute, let me keep the line. S is written opposite side, straight curve, S. It is written in this style. Arrow is given. In which direction it is written, arrow is given. S, Z is a deep stroke. So in this style you keep continuing it. S, Z. And Ish, She. Ish is written slanting curve, light stroke. And She is written deep stroke. Deep stroke. So you keep writing in the same style. Okay. Okay. Line. I am teaching you on the line only. And the next is M. M is also written on the line. M. Direction I have already given. M. M. N is the opposite motion. N. N. So you have to keep writing and practicing in the same style. The next is Ying. Ying is a deep stroke. So Ying on the line, deep stroke. Ying. Ying. And then next comes L. L is a light stroke. L is a light stroke. From downward to upward. L. L. Arrow I have given how to follow it. L. Then comes R. R is a downward R. Downward stroke. Like an arch. R. R. Don't give pressure of your hand and keep your hand comfortably to write so that the strokes, shape of the strokes will come correctly. R. Then Ray. Ray is written more slanting. Since you are writing upward, downward to upward, it goes more slanting. Ray. Every stroke you have to mention the phonetic names and then continue writing. And then next is way. W. Way. Way, a small hook in front and straight. Where small hook in front, you have to be careful about your hook. It should not be rounded up. If it is rounded up, it will go hey. Hey, rounding up from upward to upward. This is only hook. So way is a front side hook and just like a tick, but straight you are writing. And then A is opposite side hook, then straight. Opposite side hook and then straight. So you keep writing at least one page till you get the strokes in your mind. Till you get the strokes in your mind, you keep on writing. The more you write, the better you will get it. Then you have H. H, that it is hey. A small circle initially, then bringing. And don't put the circle opposite or writing over and over. And it has to be small circle and bring it down. A small circle and bring it down. Downward hey. Small circle and bring it down. It is downward hey. Upward hey, a small circle initially and then just like a ray it goes, but initially a small circle is given. Small circle and this is hey. So with this we conclude the strokes, which is very, very important for you to retain in mind and learn thoroughly. Memorize it thoroughly. Keep in mind, you need to memorize this. Now, after memorizing, suppose you are expert enough, you have memorized. How you are going to recall and then what you do, say, of course, imagine that this line is there. You yourself, what you do is, you yourself recall every stroke and keep writing. Suppose P, T, J, J, L. You call and then you keep writing. Immediately, if your mind and hand works together and you are able to get, that means you have memorized it. You have to memorize the stroke and get the stroke correctly, because this kind of dictation has to be given directly. I won't be able to give directly dictation to you to keep writing T, D, J, K, L, R, Ray. Like you yourself, you become the teacher and you become the student and you call it yourself and you keep writing. Then just like children to learn ABCD, we give the strokes Z, Y, X, A, B, anything we tell them to write as a dictation. So this also you will have to, you yourself you have to take as a dictation so that it goes in your mind very firmly. And after that, we will be learning to join the stroke. The next class, I will be giving you that. So until then, thank you and keep writing and practicing it.